koutou. It's so good to see you. Kei te rongo koutou, do you hear that? It's the Toy Time trumpets. That must mean it's time to party! Let's go.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time, fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're rolling by it. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika more, yeah, we on my cup. Oh, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya, Tama, Jojo, Anika. Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Kia ora tātou, ko Maia tōku ingoa. Kia ora, ko Jojo ahau.
I'm Tama! And I'm a shooting star!
Wow! Kia ora, Tama.
Guess what, Te whānau? I've just received news from Rangi Nui. Ko te kaupapa o te rā ko ngā whetū o Matariki. Today's theme is about Matariki.
Wow! Stars! Matariki! Rangi nui!
Ai, tika! Today we're going to learn about the stars of Matariki. Hey, Mohio! What is Matariki?
Matariki is a special time of year where we farewell those who have passed and we prepare for the year ahead. It is also a great time for whānau to come together and celebrate the Māori New Year.
Well, my favourite thing about Matariki is seeing my whānau.
Oh, my favourite thing is getting to eat heaps of yummy kai.
Oh, I love looking up at the stars of Matariki and hearing stories about them. Who are the stars of Matariki?
Why don't we sing a song about it?
Can we dress up? Let's go. Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi Matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi Matariki brings good luck to all. In the middle of winter, when it's cold and dark outside, we see Matariki rising in the Aotearoa sky. This special constellation, made up of 9 stars, bring peace and bring well-being. But do you know what their names are? Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi Matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti waita waipuna rangi pōhutu kawa hiwa I te rangi tupua nuku ururangi tupua rangi Matariki brings good luck to all. In the middle of winter, when it's cold and dark outside, we see Matariki rising in the Aotearoa sky. This special Matariki brings good luck to all. Waiti, waita, waipuna, rangi ho, hutu kawa, hiwa, iterangi, tupua, nuku, ururangi, tupua, rangi. Matariki brings good luck to all.
Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora, Jojo. Oh, hey, what are you making?
Can you guess?
Okay. Let me see. Wow, these are some of my favourite things. Stars.
Good guess, Maya. But these aren't just any stars. These are special stars. I'm making ngā whetū o Matariki.
Oh, the stars of Matariki. They're really famous where I'm from. Which one is your favourite?
I think Waipuna Arangi. She's the smallest. What about you, Maya?
Oh, my favourite is Hiwa Iterangi, the wishing star.
Tauke. Awesome.
So, how are you making ngā whetū o Matariki, Jojo?
First, we cut them out of paper, then we decorate them with glitter, and then we hang them.
Rawe.
We just need to make the last star. Let's go.
Okay.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. I think that just about does it.
Rawe.
Hey, let's show Tama. Tama!
Tama!
Whoa! Hey, team! Far out! Ngā whetū o Matariki, they're really famous where I'm from. Fun fact, Matariki is short for ngā mata o te āriki. Tāwhiri mātea, eyes of the god. Tāwhiri mātea, god of the wind.
Ooh, look at you, Tama, coming in with the mātauranga. Hey, I might have to call you Mōhio 2.0.
What? Oh, don't get me started.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm trying to look for a place to fly my kite. Come on. First, I have to set my kite up. This looks like a good spot right here. Okay. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a stingray, a real colourful one, eh? It's got 2 wings and even has a tail like a stingray. Now all we need is a perfect spot to fly it. I found the perfect spot. Come on. Whoa, this is the perfect place to fly my kite. Where's the wind coming from? It's going that way. All right, let's see if we can make this kite fly. Go, kite. Go, kite. Go, kite. Up, up, up. Oh, up, up. There you go. You're flying it, whānau. Let's see how high I can make my kite go. Look how high my kite is flying now. Oh, 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 careful, careful. Oh no, it's losing power. It's losing power. Oh no, we're back. We're back. We're back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Uh-oh. Ooh, I think my kite might need a rest. Come here, kite. Oh, you can have a little rest there, kite. Whoa, it's an awesome day at the beach today. Tamanui te rā's out and Tangaro is sparkling better than ever. This is a beautiful time of the year. It's Matariki. I love Matariki. Hey, I learned a Māori proverb today, a whakatauki. It was ka kitea a Matariki, ka rere te korokoro. And korokoro are a type of tuna. And at the time of Matariki, tuna
these korokoro, they will migrate from the fresh water to the salt water. And our stars that represent the fresh water and the salt water is Waiti and Waita. Oh well, I think that's enough of a rest. I want to get back to kite flying. Ka kite anō whānau.
I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my mama, she gives the best hugs. I love my papa, he also gives the best hugs. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. I love my sister, she shares her lollies with me. I love my brother, he also shares his lollies with me. Woohoo! Yeah! I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. Even Nana too. Even cousins too. Baby sisters too.
Oh, I'm having so much fun learning about Matariki today. Maya told me that Hiwa Itirangi is a wishing star. I love making wishes. I'm going to make a wish right now. Oh, I know.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ngā whet.
Ngā whetū?
Ngā whetū o Matariki.
Buzz! True, my cuz. I wish that you would come, and you did.
Oh, I like making wishes come true, cuz. You know why I'm here, right? It's Takaro time! Oh, and cuz, you know you can't have Takaro time without me. I know all the best toys.
Yeah? So what did you bring today?
I'm glad that you asked, Summer. I'm going to tell you. I brought face paints. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it.
Okay.
I'm going to paint your face, you're going to paint my face, and then we both have to guess what we've painted.
Sounds fun.
To the playroom! Grab that, Summer. Oh. All right. Okay, I am going to go with red paint.
Fiddle.
Okay, here we go. All right, Tama. Ready to look amazing?
Yes, Buzz.
Give me your face. It's tickly, eh? Another one. Go. I think I'm done.
Yeah!
You look amazing, Tamba.
Yeah!
All right. What do you think you are?
Is it a type of food?
No.
Sandwich.
No, sandwiches are food.
Oh. Cheeseburger.
It's not a food, Tama.
Oh. Right, straight up. Tama, focus. Not a food. Not a food. Dude, all this not thinking about food is making me hungry.
You're always hungry, Tama. Okay, I'll give you a clue. We've been learning about them today.
Today? Is it a star? Vitu? Stars of Matariki! Ngā whetua o Matariki!
Yes, you got it!
The best guesser goes to Tama! Crowd goes wild!
Namaste. Kia ora e hoa. It's Auntie Anika here. I want to share with you some of the best ways I use to help myself get grounded and connected to Papatuanuku, our Earth Mother. Hi. First, I like to take my shoes off so I can feel the earth beneath my feet. You can take your shoes off too if you haven't already. Yeah. My sock has a hole in it. That's okay. That's what I call free air conditioning. Just jokes. I'll take them off. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, now I have bare feet, I can really feel the earth on my skin. Right, to start with, I like to stand nice and tall and take a few deep breaths. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Woohoo! I feel so grounded and connected to Papatuanuku already. Okay. If you like, you can lie down to get even more grounded. Ha ki roto, ha ki waho. Oh. It's like getting a big hug from Papatuanuku. Kia ora, Papa.
Wolfie, did you know that Matariki is the mother star and she has 8 tamariki?
Oh, wow. That's a lot of siblings, Oma.
What's a sibling, Wolfie?
Oh, a sibling is a brother or a sister. In my whānau, I have 6 brothers and 7 sisters, which makes 13 siblings all up.
13? That's a lot.
How many siblings do you have, Oma?
Oh, I only have 9 siblings. It's still pretty busy.
Oh.
Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Who's got a mother? A mum? A mama?
Do you have a father? A dad? A papa?
What about siblings? A sister? A brother?
And grandparents, Nan and Pop, Granddad and Grandma.
Your whānau might live in your house. They might live on your street. Some might live far, far away, and seeing them might be a treat. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Do you have an auntie? She's the sister of your mum or dad. What about uncles? He's the brother of your dad or mum.
Do you have any cousins? Do you get to play? If they live far, far away, when you see them, do you shout hooray?
Families all look different. There's not one way they all should be. You might have one, you might have none. You might have 10 or 5 or 3. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Today we're going to make some Matariki stars, and each of you will get one of these, and we're going to design our star. And here's some patterns to help you.
Matariki is the celebration of Molly's New Year. I am doing a core design with a few zigzags. I'm doing the symbol of hospitality, Matariki.
Matariki.
The one that I made, I've got some quarters over here and some quarters in the middle. I think Holo means new beginnings.
Your picture is the ocean splashing up on the rocks.
Matariki, tupuarangi, tupuanuku, Matariki, ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwaiterangi, Matariki, waiti. Matariki, tupuarangi, tupuanuku, Matariki, ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwaiterangi, Matariki.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
And welcome back to another segment of What's in the
Box! Where we try to guess what is inside the box without looking inside. Ow, Maya.
Sorry, I'm just really excited. Okay. First up, we have Jojo. Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay, soft. Ooh, cuddly even. I'm going to say soft toy.
Jojo says soft toy. And now it's Tama's turn.
Okay. Oh, Maya.
Sorry.
Ooh, it is cuddly. Fluffy, yes. I'm going to say fluffy cuddly.
Fluffy cuddly isn't a thing, Tama.
Fluffy pillow.
Fluffy pillow, says Tama. No mai hoki mai te whānau, and welcome back to What's in the Box. We have Jojo with her guest of soft toy, and Tama with his guest of fluffy pillow. And the winner of What's in the Box today is... Jojo with soft toy.
Oh, good on you, Jojo. Ko koe te toa.
This has been another segment of What's in the...
Oh.
We're painting stars. Putting glitter on the side. I painted red all in the middle and orange on the sides and golden glitter on my painting picture. I used orange and red. Purple, red and some sparkling glitter. This has got glitter on it. Happy Matariki. Bye. Bye.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time.
Today's story is about Tavita and the beautiful night sky. Starlight. Tavita and his sister Tawila are going away camping for the weekend with their dad. They set up their tent and campsite and toast fluffy marshmallows over the campfire. Tavita looks up into the universe. It is a clear night, not a cloud in the sky. The moon looks full and happy, and Tavita can see all the stars twinkling across the galaxy. Dad tells Tavita and Tawila, "Did you know that those same stars formed from atoms and stardust billions of years ago now shine their light on you and all of the world?" Tavita ponders on this. At that exact moment, a shooting star trails across the dark night sky. He thinks starlight and the universe are amazing, and what they are made up of, atoms and elements, is also what makes him. Tavita giggles thinking of being made of stardust, moons, suns and planets. And he knows this is the stuff his mum calls wairua. Wairua is what makes him confident and strong. Wha soifua. See you next time.
Oh, you got that one. Pohutukawa.
Ururangi.
Tupuanuku.
Waiti.
Waita.
Tupuarangi.
Oh, Waipunarangi.
Waipunarangi.
Oh, what an amazing day. I've had so much fun learning about Matariki and spending time with all my friends and the toy time whānau. Did you learn anything new about Matariki, Maya?
Oh, I did, Tama. I learnt from you that some of our people believe that ngā whetū or Matariki are actually the eyes of Tāwhiri Mātea, god of the wind.
And what about you, Jojo?
I learned that Matariki has 8 tamariki. That's a lot of star siblings.
It sure is. Hey, Mohio,
Kia ora, Tama.
he pātai tāku. Is there anything else we should know about Matariki?
Kia ora te whānau toi time. Matariki is the perfect time to think of all your reasons to be grateful.
What does it mean to be grateful?
Being grateful means feeling thankful for the wonderful things in your life.
Like our whānau and friends.
And having the whole day off for Matariki so we can spend it together.
And Puyami kai.
And for Mohio.
Thank you, Jojo. We have a lot to feel grateful for.
Oh, we sure do.
And we're very grateful for you too.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soifua. No hora, ka kite anō.